So I just got done fitting all the pieces in, and then swept everything up. So it's clean, at least cleaner. And now I need to do a little bit more nailing, especially those two pieces right there on top. Most of the others are nailed in now. And then I'm going to do some, well actually, yeah, I'll do some caulking. And then I need to bring the aluminum up and pin that back down before the gecko. So, yeah, it's not a pretty job, but it's solid now. I removed all the rotted wood, the junk wood, anything that was weak. I filled in pretty darn good. There are gaps in there, but not real big ones. And then we should be good after we pin this aluminum back down, caulk and gecko. And then we'll be ready for some aluminum sheets, which I am excited about because they are calling for rain the next couple days, so this will be a good time to get a bunch of it done. Not happy it happened, but really glad I'm taking care of it.